What's up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube?
Today I'm here with
Jaden.
and
Kai.
we about to go through the corn maze. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Corn maze. Which way we got? We gotta follow the path, Kai.
I wonder what's at the end.
I wonder what's at the end. Which way we going, Kai?
Straight back.
Look, we gotta pick which way we gotta go. Kai, we following you, so if we get lost, it's your fault.
My fault.
Yeah, it's your fault, girl.
It's
Look,
my fault.
she's making us go in a circle now. Oh, no, it's not. Go
I'm
ahead.
just joking.
Go ahead, go ahead. We following you, Kai.
It's not my fault.
Yes, it is.
I'll
No,
go
it
first.
didn't.
Go ahead. We following Kai first. If Kai get us lost, then you gotta find us the way out.
Alright.
All right. You too. If Kai get us lost, it's her fault. We're gonna be stuck in here, y'all.
It's not my fault. It's your fault.
Nah, it's gonna be your fault, Kai.
That was you. It's your job. It's your job.
Come on, Kai. You get up
It
here.
ain't my fault.
Look,
it's
that's
you.
corn on the ground right there. Go ahead. We following you, girl. Jaden, if she get us lost. Come on, Kai. We gotta walk a little faster so
Oh,
we can
that's
get up
your
out of here.
fault. Okay, it's your
Look,
fault.
it's getting higher and higher.
Yep.
Go ahead, Kai. What you stopping for? We gotta follow you.
Oh, we going around in a circle.
No, we not. We gotta go. This is a maze, girl. We gotta find our way out.
The maze gonna be scarier at night.
Oh yeah, it is.
Oh, we there
Somebody
yet?
eating some corn. Look.
Look.
Mm-hmm. You wanna see our way out, YouTube? Which way we go? Go ahead, Kai. We following you. Or you want Jaden to get in front?
Want me to get in front?
Go ahead,
It's
Jaden.
corn.
We're gonna follow you. Go ahead, Jaden.
Alright.
Kai, Jaden about to get in front of you. We about to follow him.
You.
Jaden, don't get us lost, man. If I get ate by a lion or something, it's your fault.
It's not his fault. It's you.
It's your fault.
No, it's you. And whose fault is this?
You gotta help me if the lion come after me, Kai.
Okay. I can fix it.
All right, you better fix it.
Use my brain.
If we did, it's your fault. Go ahead. We following you.
You talk about your YouTube subscribe.
Yeah, tell them to subscribe to my YouTube, Kai.
Hey, where were we at?
Huh?
Where were you at?
And we in the maze.
Man.
In the corn maze.
Do you sure this is it?
Mm-hmm. Jaden got us lost, Kai.
Where you going, Jaden? Especially this way.
We following him. Come on, Kai. We gotta follow him. He gotta lead us out of here. Boy, you got us to the road. Which way we going, Jaden? We say go this way, Kai.
Are we supposed to zombie?
Huh?
Are we supposed to zombie?
Yeah. We gotta wait till the sun go down.
Hey, this is getting dark.
Yeah, when it's dark. Kai, he got us going in the circle, don't he? Jaden don't know which way to go. Y'all walking slower and slower. Especially Jaden. He don't know where he's going. He better walk a little faster so we can get up out of here. Or something to attack us up in here. That ghost coming? It's coming to get you, Kai.
No, never hears it.
Huh?
Can't hear it though. Are you? Are you upset?
You said what?
Are you?
Am I what?
Scared to go?
Yeah, I'm scared of ghosts, girl.
Why you be so scared?
What you call a scary cat? Whatever. Huh? We almost out, Jaden. Jaden got us lost, YouTube. We lost in the maze.
My shit.
Hmm?
Here. Wait, Jaden. Wait, let me touch my shit.
Alright, make sure you tie them tight.
Wow, we about to run?
No.
And why she got time tight?
We're not about to
So
run,
they
we're
won't
about
come
to
and loose
walk.
again.
Come on.
We'll find another way in.
Alright, come on. Jaden got to have us to go the right way. This look like it's about to be the end. Jaden, you got us leading out? I think we're going the right way now.
Where's the pump?
This looks like an exit over here somewhere.
Is it a hide on the pump?
Oh, it's a lion. Run! Look at Jaden.
Why you keep running?
You trying to leave us, Kai?
That's your fault. You make him run.
He thought it was a lion for real.
No one didn't.
You had to exit?
That's your fault.
Alright.
You
Okay,
make him
YouTube,
run.
Jaden didn't let us out he didn't let us out. He had us at the freeway looking crazy for a minute. But we made it out. Alright, y'all. Make sure y'all tell YouTube bye. We about to dip.
See you later.
Say bye to YouTube, man, before we beat you up.
See you, YouTube.
Alright.
See you later, YouTube.
Alright. We made it out, y'all. Talk to y'all in a minute.
Oh, this is the animal.
Alright.